Xi'an, the city, is
Right.
way far away.
We are the Taylor Tadpoles. We fell in love with traveling around the world.
I think we flew there. I mean, it's a long way.
We flew there in the morning and then flew out at night.
Yeah, pull it up on a map, or we can put one on the screen. And it shows just the distance between Xi'an and Beijing and Shanghai. It's kind of off on its own in the middle of nowhere.
The other thing we saw in Xi'an was a fortress. I don't really remember anything about it.
Oh, it's the city wall.
City wall? Okay. I don't really remember anything about it, but our tour guide took us there. And we have lots
the driver got arrested.
Oh, yeah.
So we had to wait for a new driver to come pick us up. Because the one they had wasn't authorized or something. I don't know.
Well, and then they were asking us how much we paid our tour guide and stuff. Which, after they said that, then he said that, you know, we had wasted our money, it was too much. But I do have to say, based on our other experiences in China, it's much better to get an authorized tour guide. Just pay the money. So we don't have much to say about the city wall, but it was pretty cool to look at.
Yeah.
Here's some pictures and videos since we don't really have much else to say about it.
Xi'an is the educational city of China. We're here on top of the city wall enjoying the many views on the inner city and also the outer city.
City walls are used to protect the city from outside invaders.
That's true.
Xi'an was the headquarters of many ancient dynasties, and so it's the headquarters of many of the ancient architecture and traditions and sculptures.
Have towers where you can have archers and things like that.
But this was no Great Wall of China.
It's an adequate wall.
An adequate wall, not inadequate wall.